How to fix Roblox cursor going off screen. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's get started. First thing first, make sure that you have closed your Roblox overall. So close it, click on this drop down menu. If you see Roblox here, right click onto it, then click exit. Now for the second step, let's make sure that all the background applications are also closed. Come below at the search bar, type in Task Manager. Open your Task Manager. If you see anything that you no longer need, right click onto it, then click on End Task. Repeat the same process for all your other applications as well. Now see if this fixes your problem. For the next step, come below at the search bar, type in Display Settings. Open your Display Settings. Scroll below, under Scale and Layout, click on Display Resolution. Make sure that you have set it to Recommended. You can also go ahead and edit the settings for your mouse. Come below at the search bar, type in Mouse Settings, open it. If you see anything that are off here, you can go ahead and edit it however you would like. Now once done, if it's still not solving your problem, then you can only go ahead and uninstall your Roblox. So type in Roblox here, click on to uninstall and reinstall again, get logged into your account, and this shall definitely fix your problem. Thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.